Hi scholars, now in this video we will be reviewing our letter names and sounds. First, we'll start with singing the alphabet song, so you can sing along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I never will forget how to say the alphabet. Very good. Now we will go over the letter name and sound. Remember, we need to know this so that we can write and read words. Okay, just like we do every morning. A, 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 B, 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 C, C, K, 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 D, 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 E, 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 F, F, G, 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 H, H, I, I, J, 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 K, 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 L, L, M, Remember, your lips are both pressed down together for M. N. This sound, remember, your tongue is behind your top teeth. O, O, O. P, P, Q, Qu, R, R, S, T, U, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Now we're missing our consonant blend, so let's look up on our wall and remember these sounds. S-H, sh, T-H, v. C-H, ch, W-H, w. Okay, see you later.